Welcome back to our channel. Question 16 is about greenhouse effects. Okay, they just show you the diagram. It is a well-proof here. When the carbon dioxide percentage increases, the temperature increases. This is the correlation. This is a positive correlation. It's clear, and the diagram tell you nothing. Just this facts. Okay, this scientific proof facts. Okay, so you can just delete it. Forget about the things. Just think about what is the greenhouse effect. So you have to remember what is a greenhouse effect. It's hard. Yeah. The Earth is here. So remember, Earth is here, and then sunlight and atmosphere is here. Sunlight fall on this. Sunlight is stronger, so sunlight is short wavelength, short longer. And then when the Earth absorbs the heat, it wants to release the heat by emitting radiation, but this is lower energy, so it is long wavelength. This is the problem for carbon dioxide, little carbon dioxide. The long wavelength thing I can pass through it, but for the other short wavelength can pass through it. So light can incident through the atmosphere to the Earth. But when the Earth want to release heat by this long wavelength radiation, the carbon dioxide will absorb it and we emit it back to the Earth. You can say reflect it, okay? This process. So trap the energy inside the Earth. Okay. So which one is the energy? The carbon dioxide heats up the surface? No, it just traps the heat, right? More short wave radiation bounces back to space? No, they are all absorbed by the Earth, right? Short wavelength, so not about short wavelength. Less long wave radiation can escape this atmosphere. Oh, that's it. Trapped here. Heat up. Look at the D. Less radiation is emitted by the Earth's surface, increasing seasonal fluctuation. No, it's not the problem of the Earth's surface. The Earth's surface still emit the same long wavelength radiation, same amount. Just the carbon dioxide absorb it and we emit it. We reflect it back to the Earth. Okay, so this is not the situation. So the answer is C. Double hooray! Because I forgot to give you a hooray in the previous question. You got it. This is a model. Greenhouse effects model. We will encounter it in physics, chemistry, or even geography. Okay, we share the same knowledge. Okay. See you guys. Bye.